Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to prevent WhatsApp Web from saving data on your PC. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your privacy and optimize your browsing experience. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp Web by visiting web.whatsapp.com on your PC and scanning the QR code with your phone. Step 2. Next, locate the web address on your browser and click on View Site Information. Step 3. In the Site Information menu, find and click on Cookies and Site Data. Step 4. Now, select Manage Cookies and Site Data to access the cookie settings. Step 5. Look for WhatsApp Web in the list and click on More next to it. Step 6. Finally, select Don't Allow to Save Data to prevent WhatsApp Web from saving any data on your PC, and there you have it. By following these steps, you can now prevent WhatsApp Web from saving data on your PC, ensuring your privacy and optimizing your browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.